Right, do you still have brush tools and have they stopped working? If you've got a Makita drill, something like this, could be an impact driver as well, that's stopped working, first thing you should do is actually check the brushes. Could be a really simple fix, could be £5 or £6 to get this done. So they live in the back here, just behind these screws, so if you whack those out, really simple, pop the case off, just this one here, not the whole one, and there they are. So on a lot of the models of drills, there's only 2. On some of the impacts, there's 4. And this is how you check them, really. So you can see here the back of the armature, and the brush is just touching it. So as long as you've got contact, you're normally okay. But it's definitely worth just having a look while you're in here. So they might be right on their last legs and only just touching. So they live in these little chambers, if you like. All you do is pop this little clip off. I use a little screwdriver like this, seems to be fairly perfect for this. Simple as that, and that's just then dangling out the way on that little bit of cord, if you like, little bit of braiding, whatever you want to call it. There's a little spring, so you just have to pop that out the way and they just come out just like that. So really simple, and that's what they look like. There is a little line on there, so generally I find as you get closer to that, or even aligned with that, they're definitely not going to work. So as you start coming down using more and more of that, you get closer to a problem. So if you're going to change these, keep that in mind, just have a look, change it out when you need to, and it's the same process for both, and you can see the other one there. So when you put it back in, all you need to do is make sure that spring is across the little gap in the middle there, so it's actually pushing on the back, just so that's putting the pressure down to the armature, which is what you need. And then you've basically pop that clip back on. You can only really do it one way, and it needs to be this way. If you do it the other way, it'll be pretty tricky, but also you won't be able to get the cap back on. So make sure those little legs go in that little gap, and that is it. So as simple as that. So imagine if you had a broken tool and all you had to do was fix it like this. You can find these all over the place, eBay, Amazon. You can get real ones from Makita, pretty cheap. And the same on the other side, there's nothing different really. Sometimes you get 2 at the bottom as well and you have to change 4 out, but that really is it, simple as that.